Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Campaign Manager access and billing, then create a concise lead gen form template. This prevents delays. Once done, pick core fields, email, company, role so autofill works. Make sure to define audience segments now, because targeting shapes form questions and cost per lead. Choose a clear daily budget $5, $30 to control spend. Also, prepare a short privacy note and thank you message, which improves conversion and compliance right away. Next, you create the campaign. Pick lead gen as the objective, then select or build an audience aligned with your ICP. After that, design ad creative with a single clear CTA that promises what the form delivers. This reduces drop-off. Make sure the form fields match your CRM schema and set up native integrations, Zapier, HubSpot, or Direct, so leads flow automatically. Once integrated, schedule testing and a small spend to validate conversion and data mapping. Finally, launch with a controlled budget and run a /B tests on creative, headline, and form length. Track cost per lead and conversion percentage closely. Once a variant wins, increase budget gradually and pause underperformers after 48 to 72 hours to avoid wasted spend. If leads don't appear in your CRM, first check integration status and permissions, then verify CSV export from Campaign Manager. If problems persist, reauthorize the connector and retest with a manual export to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.